Now the water, I turned the water off in the sink, but when I turn it off, this is what's happening. Now I shouldn't be doing this. Now I pushed the other button down below here. I didn't push the off button. The off button's up above. A little bit more light here. I still have the plastic on it. Now I gotta push this button back on. Nothing happens. Push the power. Power comes on. Now it's saying the temperature is 125. Well, it's not even 125, it's not even 1. Now it goes off. Now I'm going to turn the water on. Now it turns on. Let's see how long it takes for the water overload to come on. There it is. There it is. It just came on. Water overload. You can see I haven't touched this at all. This is almost completely off. Turn it down any more. That's all the pressure I'll have. That's not enough to shower with. Maybe wash your hands. Not even enough to fill up the toilet. See, I'm still saying 125 the temperature. But the water, lukewarm, that's it. There's barely any warmness at all out of it. No steam or nothing. I'll turn it off. Now, should I just turn off the unit and not just be beeping like that? So, come over to the unit here, touch the button down below here. It says 31 Celsius, 552 Celsius. Okay. Now, there's your proof there's something wrong with the units you're sending me. I've tried everything. Electric, everything's perfect or done right. Everything's been wired correctly. Put down to 50 amp. New breaker. It's a 50 amp breaker is what it takes. That's what I installed in it. From the hot water heater. I didn't even change the breaker on it. For the hot water heater. This takes a 60 amp. I didn't even switch it back over to a 60. I left it at the 50. Checking, I already hooked this up and try it again. Now you see the results. There's something definitely wrong with the units you're sending me. None of them are working with the water pressure. So I'm requesting for a full refund or a unit that actually works, that does not, that gives you the hot water and does not have water overflow every single time when you go to turn it on, leave it on a little bit. How you supposed to take a shower? Take a few 3-second shower and that's it? Here's your proof.